Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 2, 2023, 2-star Sudoku. Column D, third row, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C and fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 6th row and 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 8th grade, column I and column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column I, 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, 5th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 1. And second row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then second row, third row, we have 1. Column H, column I also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade and third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row and second row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, and 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will be another cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will be another cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells, it will give me another cells, we will confirm later. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will be one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 2. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.